You know, it's not every day where you get a MacBook Air that's this great, that offers this much value, but it does. The M1 MacBook Air offers exceptional performance combined with insanely well optimized build quality and great software. Now, the overall hinge design on this thing, speaking of hardware, is excellent. Opens with one hand and is not wiggly or loose at all. The trackpad has extreme precision, and honestly, it's very large, so you can get a lot of gestures mixed in there. The keyboard, also excellent, great design, and great tactile feedback. Has a headphone jack on the right-hand side. Left-hand side has two USB-C ports that can connect to one external monitor. Now, if we just look at the overall feel of the device, it's got that wedge shape. It's extremely thin, and it's easy to pick around. I'm currently editing this video on my couch, which is insane. And overall, look at that screen quality, how bright and color accurate it is. For even a 13.3-inch display that's LCD, it honestly rivals some OLED displays that I've seen in my time. Oh, and just by the way, the microphone you're hearing in this video is coming directly from the laptop itself. On this, and this is still using the internal microphone, I think, but the internal webcam on this thing is 720p. It's not the best. It's not supposed to be the best. They upgraded this thing with the next generation of Apple laptops. They upped it to 1080p, and the new processor chip improves the overall image quality. So with this, I mean, granted, I'm in really bad lighting right now in front of a big TV screen, but this is what you can come to expect on the MacBook Air M1. I'd argue it's probably slightly better than the Intel version just because of that updated processor. But this is what it looks like. This is what it sounds like. And yeah, so the MacBook Air, it's a great laptop. I've been using it for video editing consistently. It's breezes through almost like anything I throw at it, to be honest, which just ultimately shocks me. Even video editing on this thing, it can do it in a breeze, and I'd almost argue it's like more optimized than my PC in Filmora when I'm running off of RX 580 and a AMD Ryzen 7 5600X processor, which is crazy how optimized iMovie is. And if you're looking to get into video editing, I'd highly recommend iMovie just because it's so easy to use. It's way easier than Filmora, and Filmora is a basic editing software at that. So I love iMovie right now on the Mac. I have no intent on ever buying like a different software for this. I just don't need it. And I edit just using a trackpad. I don't even need the gestures on the Mac are so good that I don't even need like a external mouse. I just don't need it. And I can literally edit videos on my couch like I'm doing right now, which is crazy. But that's going to be it for this review, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. You got to see a little bit of everything of this device, hardware, solid, software, still learning it, not a pro. Using Mac, I'm still a PC person, but this is what you get. And you can get this thing on sale for $799 for the base model, 256 gigs, 8 gigabytes of RAM. I upgraded mine a little to the 8-core GPU, 512 gigabyte SSD version. But honestly, this thing kicks a lot of laptops' butts in this price range. You're not going to get this premium build and software experience on most Windows laptops for $800, to be honest. Those are usually filled with gimmicks, and the build quality is not going to be like the MacBook. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, everyone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.